As waters slowly begin to recede in flood-hit parts of southern Ukraine, the short and long-term challenges facing victims are becoming more apparent, and farmers are struggling.
Це ж тут і зерно в мене все. Тепер не знаю, сіно там на городі попливло. І в мене, і в сусідів воно сіно попливло все. Да, нема чим кормити скот, нічого немає. Так в мене хоч трошки, йолки, сіна потопло. А люди, що, ну, тюків 600-700, мабуть, за оцей. І все пішло. І хто їм за це? Хто?
Russia denies it caused the catastrophe by blowing up the dam at Kakhovka. Now Moscow has released video of what it claims are Russian volunteers helping stranded households in the Kherson region. Elsewhere, near Kherson city, Ukrainian aid workers are focusing their efforts on the few remaining residents who refuse to leave. They stayed during the Russian invasion, and it appears they're not going to be driven out by the flood.